Good morning, students. Last class we discussed oxidation number method. Today we are going to learn new topic, ion electron method. Before we are going to enter the topic, we are going to do one more problem in the balance the following equation by oxidation number method. The question is K1O4 plus H2C2O4 plus H2SO4 gives K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. So already know what is the first step. Calculate the oxidation number of which element going to change the oxidation number. The first step is identify which atom change in oxidation number. First we are going to calculate oxidation number of Mn in K1O4. Potassium oxidation number 1, that is a 1 atom, so plus 1 plus X as a Mn as a X plus oxygen oxidation number minus 2, so that is a 4 atom, 4 into minus 2 equal to, that is a neutral molecule, equal to 0, 1 plus X minus 8 equal to 0, X minus 7 equal to 0, X equal to plus 7. Next we are going to calculate the oxidation number of carbon in H2C2O4. There is a 2 atom of hydrogen, oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1 plus carbon as a X, that is a 2 atoms, so 2X plus oxygen is the oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2, so 4 into minus 2, that is a neutral molecule, equal to 0. So 2 plus 2X minus 8 equal to 0. 2X minus 6 equal to 0. 2X equal to plus 6. X equal to 6 by 2. X equal to 3. So plus 3 oxidation state. Next, there is no change in hydrogen, there is no change in sulfate ion. There is no change in potassium sulfate. Next, we are going to find out the oxidation number of Mn in MnSO4. Mn as a X sulfate, oxidation number of sulfate is minus 2. There is a 1 molecule, so 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 2, there is a neutral molecule equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0, X equal to plus 2. Chromium. The next one is the identify the oxidation number of carbon in CO2. So C as a X plus oxygen oxidation number minus 2, that is a 2 atom, 2 into minus 2 equal to, that is a neutral molecule, 0. X minus 4 equal to 0, X equal to plus 4. There is no change in the oxidation number of hydrogen and oxygen. So what is the second step? So number of electron loss and the number of electron gain. Plus 7 to plus 2. Decrease. Decrease means reduction. Plus 3 to plus 4. Increase. Oxidation. The oxidation number of Mn in K1O4 change from plus 7 to plus 2. So by gain 5 electron. So that is the only 1 atom. So 1 atom multiple with 5 electron. So 5 electron. The oxidation number of carbon in H2C2O4 change from plus 3 to plus 4. So loss of 1 electron. So that is the 2 atom. So 2 into 1 electron is equal to 2e. Third step, cross multiple, because of the reason the total number of electron loss is equal to the total number of electron gain. They equate the number of electron by cross multiplication of the respective formula with a suitable integer on the reactant side. So cross multiple, that is a 5 electron, 2 electron, so cross multiple, so 5, so 2 K1O4 plus 5 H2C2O4 plus H2SO4, it gives K2SO4 plus M1SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. Next, balance the atoms from the reactant and the product side. First, potassium, K from the reactant side 2, and then product side also 2. M1 from the reactant side 2, but product side only 1. So multiple with 2 equal to 2. So carbon from the reactant side 10, but from the product side only 1. So multiple with 10 equal to 10. So the fourth step, K1O4 plus 5 H2C2O4 plus H2SO4, it gives K2SO4 plus 2 M1SO4 plus 10 CO2 plus H2O. So other than hydrogen and oxygen, so all the atoms are balanced. The next step, we are going to balance the oxygen and hydrogen. Next, we are going to balance the sulfur. Sulfur from the reactant side, S equal to, there is a only one atom, but from the product side, sulfur equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So we are going to multiple 3 by the sulfuric acid. So 2 K1O4 plus 5 H2C2O4 plus 3 H2SO4, it gives K2SO4 plus 2 M1SO4 plus 10 CO2 plus H2O. So mostly all the atoms are balanced except carbon and except hydrogen and oxygen. Now we are going to balance number of hydrogen. So from the reactant side, hydrogen 10 plus 6 equal to 16. From the product side, hydrogen equal to only 2. So multiple with 8 equal to 16. So 2 K1O4 plus 5 H2C2O4 plus 3 H2SO4, it gives K2SO4 plus 2 M1SO4 plus 10 CO2 plus 8 H2O. Equation is balanced. So next we are going to the new topic. Next we are going to learn the new topic, ion electron method. This is the next method, balance the redox reaction. This method is used for the ionic redox reactions. That is the some of the few steps to balance the ion electron method. The first step is the using oxidation number concept. Find out the reactant which undergoes oxidation and reduction. What is the second step? Write two separate half equations for the oxidation and reduction reaction. For example, K1O4 FeSO4 plus H2SO4, it gives M1SO4 plus Fe2SO4 thrice plus K2SO4 plus H2O. So as usual, first we are going to find out the oxidation number. Oxidation number of M1 in K1O4 plus 1 M1 as X, that is a 4 atom of oxygen. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2, so 4 into -2 equal to 0. 1 plus X minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0. X equal to plus 7. So the oxidation number of Mn is 7. Next, ion. So ferrous changed to ferric. So X as a Fe plus sulfate is minus 2 equal to 0, X equal to plus 2. Oxidation number of Fe in FeSO4 plus 2. There is no change in hydrogen and sulfate. So next we are going to identify oxidation number of Mn from the Mn SO4. X minus 2 equal to 0, X equal to plus 2. Next we are going to find out oxidation number of Fe from the Fe2SO4 tries. So there is a 2 atom of Fe as a X, so 2X plus SO4, oxidation number of SO4 is minus 2. There is a 3 atoms, so 3 into minus 2 equal to 0, 2X minus 6 equal to 0, 2X equal to plus 6, X equal to 6 by 2, X equal to 3. The oxidation number of Fe from the Fe2SO4 is plus 3. There is no change in potassium, sulfate, hydrogen and oxygen. Next we are going to write the 2-half reaction. So one is the oxidation half, second one is the reduction half. The 2-half reactions. The first one is the oxidation half. Fe2 plus, it gives Fe3 plus. So what is the difference from Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus? Only 1 electron. So loss of 1 electron. This is equation number 1. Second one is reduction half. MnO4 minus, it gives Mn2 plus. Mn2 plus is the, Mn is the plus 7 oxidation. So what is the difference from the plus 7 to plus 2? There is a 5 electron. So gain the 5 electron to form a Mn2 plus. The next step, balance the atom and the charge on the both sides. Equation number 1. No change, but equation number 2, there is some changes because 4 atom of oxygen on reactant side. So we add H2O on the product side. Then from the second equation, MnO4 minus plus 5 electron, it gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. In this equation, 8 atom of hydrogen on product side. So we add 8 hydrogen on reactant side. So in this equation, 8 atom of hydrogen on the product side. So we add 8 hydrogen on the reactant side. So from the equation, MnO4 minus plus 5 electron plus 8H plus, it gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. This is equation number 3. So the next one is step 3. Equate both half reactions such that the number of electron lost is equal to the number of electron gained. So equation number 1 equal to Fe2 plus, it gives Fe3 plus 1 electron. From the equation 3, Mn O4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron. It gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. So except charge, so all the atoms balance both the reaction. So now we are going to balance the electron on the both side. Equation 1 multiple with 5 electron, because there is only 1 electron from the product side, but the second equation has a 5 electron in the reactant side. So multiple with 5 electron. Fe2 plus, it gives 5 Fe3 plus 5 electron. From the third equation, there is no change. So multiple with 1 equal to Mn O4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron. It gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. So 5 electron from the reactant side and the product side. 5 electron from the third equation reactant side and 5 electron from the first equation product side cancel. So finally 5 Fe2 plus MnO4 minus plus 8H plus, it gives 5 Fe3 plus Mn2 plus 4H2O. So the equation is balanced. So balance the following equation by ion electron method. So first we have identify the oxidation number of the element. First one is Mn. So 1 plus x minus 8 equal to 0, x minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to plus 7. Oxidation number of Mn equal to plus 7. Next tin has a x plus chlorine. Oxidation number of chlorine is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to plus 2. Oxidation number of Sn from the SnCl2 is plus 2. There is no change in hydrogen and the chlorine. Then Mn from the MnCl2, x minus 2 into 1 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to plus 2. Next, identify the Sn from the SnCl4, x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to plus 4. So next we are going to write the two half reactions. One is the oxidation half, again another one is the reduction half. So first we are going to write the oxidation half. Sn2 plus is oxidized Sn4 plus, loss of 2 electron. The next one is the reduction half. So reduction half is MnO4 is reduced to Mn2 plus. So MnO4 minus, gain 5 electron, it gives Mn2 plus. So the next step, balance the atom and charge. So the first equation there is no changes, but the second equation there is a 4 atom of oxygen from the reactant side. So we are going to add 4 water molecule on the product side. from the equation 2 M1O4 minus plus 5 electron, it gives M12 plus. That is the 4 oxygen atom from the reactant side. So we add 4 water molecule on the product side. Now there is a 8 hydrogen atom from the product side. So we add 8 hydrogen on the reactant side. So from the second equation, change to M1O4 minus plus 8H plus plus 5 electron. It gives M12 plus plus 4H2O. This is equation number 3. So next, balance the charge. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Sn2 plus, it gives Sn4 plus plus 2 electron. Equation number 3. M1O4 minus plus 8H plus plus 5 electron, it gives M12 plus plus 4H2O. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 3. So only the difference. Equation number 1, there is a 2 electron on the product side. Equation number 3, there is a 5 electron on the reactant side. So first equation multiple with the so equation number 1 multiple with the 5. So 5 Sn2 plus, it gives 5 Sn4 plus plus 10 electron. Equation number 3 multiple with 2 M1O4 minus plus 10 electron plus 16 hydrogen. It gives 2 M12 plus plus 8 H2O. So 10 electron and then 10 electron cancel. So finally 2 M1O4 minus plus 5 Sn2 plus plus 16 H plus, it gives 2 M12 plus plus 5 Sn2 plus plus 8 H2O. So the equation is balanced. The next question, balance the following equation by ion electron method. C2O4 2 minus plus Cr2 O7 2 minus, it gives Cr3 plus plus CO2. First to find out the oxidation number. The carbon in C2O4 2x minus 8 equal to minus 2. 2x equal to minus 2 plus 8. 2x equal to plus 6. X equal to 6 by 2. X equal to 3. The oxidation number of carbon in C2O4 2 minus is plus 3. Next, chromium. From the Cr2O7, 2x minus 2 into 7 equal to minus 2, 2x minus 14 equal to minus 2, 2x equal to minus 2 plus 14, 2x equal to 12, x equal to 12 divided by 2, x equal to 6. So plus 6. Oxidation state of chromium in Cr2O7 2 minus. The next one is Cr, already given in the problem, Cr3 plus. Finally, the carbon in the CO2, x plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to plus 4. So plus 4 oxidation state of carbon from the carbon dioxide. The next one is write the two half reactions. One is the oxidation reaction, another one is the reduction half. So oxidation half is C2O4 2 minus. It gives CO2 plus 4 oxidation of carbon in CO2. What is the difference? Plus 3 2 plus 4. There is a 1 electron. Loss of 1 electron. The reduction half. Cr2O7 2 minus plus it gives Cr3 plus. That is a plus 6 oxidation state of chromium in Cr2O7 changed to Cr3 plus. What is the difference? So 3 electron difference. So gain of 3 electron to form a Cr3 plus. So next we are going to balance the atom and charge. First we are going to balance the atom. From the equation number 1, C2O4 2 minus plus 3 electron, it gives CO2 plus 1 electron. From the equation number 1, C2O4 2 minus, it gives CO2 plus 1 electron. But from the reactant side, there is a 2 carbon atom, but in the product side only 1. So multiple with the 2, so 2 CO2. 1 carbon C2O4 2 minus 1 CO2 convert ஆகிறதுக்கு 1 electron loss. But இங்க 2 CO2 convert ஆயிருக்கனால எவ்வளவு electron loss ஆயிருக்கும் அப்படின்னா 2 electrons loss ஆயிருக்கும். Okay, this is equation number 3. From the equation number 2, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3 electron, it gives Cr3 plus. There is a 7 oxygen atom. So we add 7 water molecule on the product side. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3 electron, it gives Cr3 plus plus 7 H2O. There is a 14 hydrogen from the product side. So we add 14 hydrogen from the reactant side. So Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3 electron plus 14 hydrogen. It gives Cr3 plus plus 7 H2O. Then charge. Here 2 chromium, but there is only 1 chromium. So multiple with the 2. So Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3 electron plus 14 H plus, it gives 2 Cr3 plus plus 7 H2O. See, ஒரு குரோமியத்துக்கு தான் 3 electron, பட் இங்க எவ்வளவு குரோமியம் அங்க இருக்கு? 2 chromium. அப்படின்னா இந்த electron multiple with 2. So 3 multiple with 2 equal to 6. So from the equation, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electron plus 14 H plus, it gives 2 Cr3 plus plus 7 H2O. This is equation number 4. So from the equation number 3, C2O4 2 minus, it gives 2 CO2 plus 2 electron. From the equation number 4, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electron plus 14 H plus, it gives 2 Cr3 plus plus 7 H2O. So now we are going to balance the charge. So the equation number 3 multiple with 3. So 3C2O4 2 minus, it gives 6CO2 plus 6 electron. Then equation number 4 multiple with 1. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electron plus 14H plus. It gives 2Cr3 plus 7 H2O. 6 electron cancel. So 3C2O4 2 minus plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus. It gives 6CO2 plus 2Cr3 plus 7 H2O. So finally the equation is balanced. Balance the following equation by ion electron method. The question is Zn plus NO3 minus, it gives Zn2 plus NO. So first we are going to identify the oxidation number of individual element, that is the elementary state, so 0. Next we are going to find out the N from the NO3, X minus 2 into 3 equal to minus 1, X minus 6 equal to minus 1, X equal to minus 1 plus 6, X equal to plus 5. So plus 5 oxidation in N in the NO3 minus. So Zn is already given in the problem, so no problem. Next N from the NO, X minus 2 equal to 0, X equal to plus 2. 2 increase. So oxidation plus 5 to plus 2 decrease. This is reduction. So oxidation half. Zn, it gives Zn2 plus loss of 2 electrons. Equation number 1. So reduction half. NO3 minus, it gives NO. What is the difference? So 3 electron. So gain the 3 electron to form a NO. So next we are going to balance the atom and the charge. First we are going to balance the atom. From the equation number 1, no change. The equation number 2, NO3 minus plus 3 electron, it gives NO. So there is a 3 atom of oxygen. So there is a 3 atom of oxygen in the reactant side, but there is only 1 atom of oxygen in the product side. So we add 2 water molecule on the product side. Next there is a 4 atom of hydrogen on the product side. So we add 4 hydrogen on the reactant side. NO3 minus plus 3 electron 4 H plus, it gives NO plus 2 H2O. This is equation number 3. Next we are going to balance the charge. From the equation number 1, Zn, it gives Zn2 plus 2 electron. Equation number 3, NO3 minus plus 3 electron plus 14 H plus, it gives NO plus 2 H2O. equation number 1 multiple with 3. So 3 is certain, it gives 3 is certain 2 plus 6 electron. Equation number 3 multiple with 2, it gives 2NO3 minus plus 8H plus 6 electron, it gives 2NO plus 4H2O. Finally 6 electron cancel. Finally 3 is certain plus 2NO3 minus plus 8 hydrogen gives 3 is certain 2 plus 2NO plus 4H2O. So the equation is balanced. Thank you, students.